In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot in Lovable. To get started, head over to Lovable and open the dashboard. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to get oriented. The area you'll need is located on the left-hand side of the screen where Lovable keeps its main navigation options. This is where you'll find the tools and integrations available for your workspace. From that left side menu, click on Connectors. This section is where you can manage and add integrations between Lovable and other platforms. If you're connecting HubSpot for the first time, this is the place to begin. After the connectors page loads, look for HubSpot in the list of available connectors. Depending on your screen size or the number of integrations shown, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Once you see HubSpot, click on it to open its connection settings. Inside the HubSpot connector page, click on Add Connection. This will open the setup screen where you can create a new HubSpot connection for your Lovable workspace. At this point, you'll usually be asked to review a few connection details before moving forward. First, check the display name. This is simply the label Lovable will use to identify the connection. It's helpful to make sure the name is clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to create more than one connection later. Keeping names organized can save time when managing integrations in the future. Next, add your service key. Be careful when entering this information since it's sensitive and should be handled securely. Make sure the key is pasted exactly as provided, without extra spaces before or after it. Small formatting mistakes can prevent the connection from working properly, so accuracy matters here. Once the display name looks right and the service key has been entered, click on Connect. This tells Lovable to begin linking your HubSpot account with the connector you just configured. After that, enter your HubSpot details when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete any authorization or login steps needed to finish the connection. If your browser opens an additional window, just continue through the HubSpot sign-in and approval process until you're returned to Lovable. And that's it. Once completed successfully, your HubSpot connection should be added inside Lovable and ready to use. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, double check the service key and your HubSpot login details, then try again. With the connection in place, you'll be ready to move forward with your integration setup in Lovable.